Hello and welcome to HiCAD Short Clip. This video is going to be about the new textures. So far the textures used to be in Visual Effects in the second tab with a broad selection of textures. This has been changed because we are now allowed to apply textures to multiple selections for assemblies. As of the major release, the textures are managed in a dialog. And in this dialog we have a broad overview of all the textures. The field base, for instance, offers different textures for floor plates. We also have floor tiles and so on. There's also roofing material consisting of according textures for roof tiles. And what's more is that there are other different textures here. Trim, wood paneling, clinker bricks, basically different textures are hidden here. Other ones are ferrous metals with stainless steels, electroplated, etc. Of course, here are also non-ferrous metal. And in this case, we will select from the non-ferrous metals the aluminum alloy and more precisely the aluminum brass. All items marked with a golden star indicate that they have been categorized in favorites, which can be found above in the tab favorites, and with all items listed which have been marked with the golden star. Particularly convenient is also that I already see the preview of the texture before I apply it, which means that I do not have to live with this texture, but I could also select the wood decor or another texture until I have found something I would like to apply as depicted. Basically, I can continue down here with the floor plate, where I can apply, for example, these floor tiles. I adjust the rotation by 180 degrees, and we already see that we have various options. We could also adjust the scale, or rather the size, for instance 5 and 5, and the move can be adjusted too. The projection down here can also be changed, for example that the texture should be projected onto the plane. And as already mentioned, by moving this, I'll do this in little steps, maybe 50. We see that the texture moves horizontally, thus I am allowed to design this as clear and neat as possible to leave a good impression. Finally, I apply it with OK, and if I choose a certain assembly with a texture, the start is easier when clicking on the right mouse button, since these settings are retrievable. Now we have seen the rotation, which I would like to apply here again. We add a texture from my favorites, which is going to be the wooden decor. Select cuboid as projection and reduce the size. The move can also be included, but it's not necessary. In the end, it's about showing the rotations, which can be adjusted dynamically, and afterwards apply it, or rather click OK as you want. Now we have a nice visual result. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.